What's helpa? My name is Mallory and I work for Acoma Social Services, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own disinfectant wipes. Enjoy! That you will require will be a container to store the wipes in, paper towel, 2 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of bleach. As you can see, the paper towel is larger than my container. I just had to trim it down, and I did purchase this container at the dollar store. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump my 3 tablespoons of bleach into my 2 cups of water and give that a quick stir. And now go ahead and add that mixture to our paper towel. And you want to just let this soak for a couple minutes. That way the cardboard cylinder in the middle can soften up, and then we'll pull that out. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just remove the inside. Put that to the side, and you can reach inside and start pulling out your wipes. And this is the finished product. I hope this helps you out. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Also comment. Thank you. Have a good day.